Hey guys, how are you doing? Sean here. So I'm planning for and preparing to do a renovation on this at some point in spring. Just want to show you, that's my lawn today. Now we are currently at 11:30 and the ground's still quite firm. Temperatures have been really low. We're talking 1, -1, 0, and it's taken forever for things to ease. So I'm gonna need some fencing to go around there to stop people going on it and the dogs. Then everything's going to be heavily scarified, holotine aerated. Then I'm going to bring some topsoil in, and I'm going to get things as flat and as level as I can, and then I'm going to overseed. Now I've got a few different seeds already to go. I was going to go with a nice seed that they put on the race courses, but in the last few months my dog has started digging the lawn. Every time she goes to the toilet, she gives it a good scratch as though she's trying to cover it over. And she's tearing it up. I can't say I'm best pleased about that. But you can just see there where she was scratching away. And there's a few different patches. So we can't have any of that now, can we? Always make sure it's reset to 0. Even though it says 9999. And you can see it going across now. Come to the corner, and that is 5.8, and we might just carry on because that's all the fence is going to do. So we're going to come to here and around there. So we've got 22.9, so 23 meters. So we need at least that length in fencing, and I've seen some orange fencing and some little post things which are on Amazon, I do believe, or eBay, and I'll show you those now. They'll come on screen or there'll be a link in the description, but that is basically going to be fenced out once it's all finished, and then we can get the renovation done. But at the moment it is so cold. It is so cold. It's absolute freeze. I can't feel my fingers. But as you can see, this had the snow blown off it a few days ago, and then we had some more snow on top. There was a lot more snow than this originally. Have a quick peek at next doors. It's going in the sun, but where the sun isn't, it's still quite a bit there. So we've got a couple more days yet before this clears off, and next week the temperatures are returning to sort of 8, 9, 10 degrees, so this should be gone by Monday or Tuesday of next week, and then we can get back on doing lawn treatments and getting back to work, because that's the name of the game. So that is the plan. Just fit it in whenever I can, hopefully around April. Like I say, we're going to do a full renovation on it. I may even do a kill off first, because I think we've got some speedwell and violets in the lawn. I'll probably do a kill off first with some glyphosate, and yeah, try and get some more sunshine. This side of the garden here, there's all these shrubs which have grown and we've not touched them apart from cutting them back, and they've cast a lot of shade into the garden. So we need to try and get more light on it in the winter, which will involve pruning those down a bit, but the ones at the back belong to next door, so we'll have to have a chat to them and see what they want to do. So that is it. Planning and preparation. Scarifier, aerator, Roundup, glyphosate. We're going to need the seed, we're going to need some compost or top dressing, and fencing, and a ton, possibly 2 tons of soil to get that nice and level. There is a dip there, and there's a dip over there, and the rest is just ever so uneven. My plan is to get this as flat as humanly possible this year, so it's going to look completely different. This little section of lawn's going, and I'm going to extend this patio out to here, so I may get some footage of that again in the springtime. Right, so if you've got some renovation work planned, if you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comment section below. and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you to help you get your loan sorted. Right guys, see you on the next one.